Oh, I saw your question on the discussion board. Part of it's chopped off, but I'm thinking it must be, from what I can see here, it must be a two-tailed test. And so from looking at this, it must be a, two-tailed test with the critical values negative 2.052, another one positive 2.052. So anything beyond those is in the rejection region. So, if it's in here, it's in the rejection region. Or if it's in here, it's in the rejection region. So it's in one of these two parts. And so on this particular one, T's 1.965. Oh, oops, that's positive. I put it in the wrong spot there. Should have been over here. 1.965 would be a positive. It'd have to be beyond this 2.052 to be in the rejection region. So, in here it's, you don't fail to reject anything between them, and anything greater than you would reject. So since it's, we don't fail to reject, okay, in this particular case, it would be over here in the rejection region, so you reject it. This one here would be over here in the rejection region, so you would reject it. Hope this helps. Picture, we are missing the top part of this, but I think it's a two-tailed test that looks like this.